It's a practice we didn't hear much about until this pandemic hit. Private autopsies. There are a lot of families out there questioning how exactly their loved ones died.
Those answers, though, may be hard to come by, due in large part to a growing industry with little oversight. For that, we bring in investigative reporter Candice Nguyen.
From medical malpractice to police shootings to COVID-19, the cause of someone's death can have serious legal and public health ramifications. And yet families we spoke to say some of those deaths are being seen as dollar signs. We investigate a network of people accused of performing private autopsies, even though they're not doctors.
I held his finger, he squeezed my finger, and it was just perfect. Everything that I was told, I felt like they lied to me.
When Natasha Robinson's newborn son, Nassim, passed away in Oakland in 2018, she had questions for the hospital.
We were told he was okay, and then all of a sudden things changed and we didn't know what happened.
Her suspicions grew.
I got a bad vibe from the doctor.
Natasha wanted a second opinion and sought out an independent investigation of her son's death. She found Sean Parcells.
Hi, my name is Sean Parcells.
Parcells owns National Autopsy Services. Natasha read on his website the company consisted of unbiased experts who give families an opportunity to learn what happened to their loved ones. Natasha paid $2,600, and National Autopsy Services sent someone to examine Nassim's body at Chapel of the Chimes in Oakland. That was 3 years ago.
To this day, what's the status?
I have no clue. I have nothing.
Has he returned any of your calls or emails?
No.
Natasha had a hunch the autopsy was unprofessional. Then she learned it wasn't performed by a licensed doctor, as required by law in California. Natasha says she met the man the company sent, and he was just an assistant.
The coroner said no. Said if you want an autopsy done, then you can pay for a private one.
Alicia Nettleton also hired National Autopsy Services after her 55-year-old mother suddenly died in a hospital. She says the report she received from Parcells' company was filled with errors.
I knew that her eye color was blue, and he had put that it was brown.
Robinson and Nettleton are suing National Autopsy Services, saying it negligently failed to retain a licensed physician. The women are among a half-dozen families across California the investigative unit spoke to, accusing not just Parcells, but a network of people of running a number of unlicensed predatory autopsy businesses.
It's about time that somebody exposes this.
Vidal Herrera has been in the private autopsy business for 33 years. He says he witnessed firsthand the lack of oversight of his industry. He says in 2019, he found out one of his assistants was doing autopsies without a license for other companies.
And I told him, you're going to get in trouble. And I know you're working for this company, and this is going to catch up to you.
Herrera says he reported the assistant to an investigator with the California Medical Board, but doesn't know if anyone followed up. The board wouldn't tell us either, but said they can fine unlicensed examiners and forward cases to district attorneys.
I've called the medical board. They don't care. They don't have time. That's why I say they're worthless.
We reached out to Parcells and his attorneys, but no one got back to us. In court documents, his company denied the allegations.
Well, that's certainly very concerning.
Richard Pan is a medical doctor and a state senator representing the Sacramento region. In 2016, he helped pass a law clarifying only licensed doctors can conduct autopsies. After we showed him our findings, he said more enforcement may be needed.
Given some of the findings that you described, it appears that perhaps there may need to be more protections. The question is that are there existing laws that aren't being enforced, or do we need additional laws?
It's hard.
Either way, Natasha wishes she had those protections. It's been years, and she says it's still hard to move on.
Every blue moon, I'll just press his teddy bear because that's his original heartbeat. I took maternity pictures, so that day just flashed every time I hear his heartbeat.
Are you still looking for answers?
Yeah.
Federal prosecutors indicted Sean Parcells, saying he took money from hundreds of clients totaling more than $1 million. He's prohibited from operating in Kansas, where he's based, but Herrera says untrained, unlicensed assistants like the one he reported are still able to operate here in California. With the Investigative Unit, I'm Candice Nguyen.
All right, thank you, Candice. Now, if you have a story for Candice or anyone in the Investigative Unit, you can call 888-996-TIPS or visit our website, NBCBayArea.com/investigations.